There's so many different variations on the humble potato cake, but I'm going to show you a version with cheese. Super delicious. Now it all starts with the all-important potato. I'm going to be using some Charisma potatoes. These are a fantastic potato. All-round potato, great for roasting. In fact, when I'm roasting, I leave the skins on. And I just want to show you the beautiful flesh inside. Look how gorgeous and buttery that looks. They're also fantastic for mashing. So what I've done here is peeled about 4 potatoes. So you want about 500 grams of potatoes. I've placed them into cold water. Whenever you're boiling your potatoes, cold water, bring it up to the boil and cook them for about 20 minutes or until they're tender. I've drained them and I've allowed them to air dry because moisture is the enemy of really good mash. So once they're dry, just like this, but still warm, get your masher and we're going to give them a really good mash, okay? And this is a fantastic recipe to do when you've got some leftover mash. It works a treat because the mash is even drier if it's left in the fridge overnight. Happy with that. To this, I'll add some potato flour and a good pinch of salt because we know how potatoes love their salt, and some white pepper. Now with a spoon, we're just going to combine everything together. And then you'll see that it really dries out. We almost want a dough consistency with the potato. Okay, I'm going to wet my hands with some water because it is quite sticky. And then I'm going to form them into some little balls. We're going to make a little indent with your thumb, and then add a nice big chunky piece of mozzarella. We're going to cover the mozzarella with the rest of the potato, squish it down, and that's one delicious potato cake. I'm going to place it into some more potato flour. You could also use breadcrumbs if you like. Dust the excess off, and then it goes straight into the oil. I'm cooking in extra virgin olive oil for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side or until they're golden, and hopefully that mozzarella will become nice, gooey and melted. All right, these have come out of the oil, and I always like to season them with a little extra salt on top. I highly recommend waiting for them to cool slightly before you tuck in because it's going to be piping hot in the center. Just arrange them onto a plate, and this one here, well, I think it's got my name on it. Definitely want to try it. I'm going to cut into it. Oh, look at that gooey, melty cheese in the center. The potatoes fluffy. That is the best treat. If you like potato cakes, well, try this version with cheese. It's even better.